Hi, good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Welcome to Nirbhaya High School, Padmanagar Phase 2, Chintal, Digital Learning Classes to understand the subject easily. I am your English teacher, Astalakshmi ma'am. Hi, children. Till yesterday, we have completed our portion. Yes, syllabus we have completed. From today, we are going to do the S7 revision. We are going to do the S7 revision. What is S7 revision we are going to do? How many lessons are there for our exam? I will tell you once. Okay, children? Everyone listen carefully. In textbook part, see you, children. In textbook part, lesson number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the textbook part, we are having lesson number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in the workbook also, same. Module 2, Module 3, Module 4, Module 5 and Module 6. Okay, children. See, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everyone have understood that? We are having the how many lessons? 5 lessons for our exam. From textbook 5 lessons, from workbook 5 lessons. Understood, children? Everyone have understood that? We are having total 10 lessons. Means textbook 5 lessons and the workbook 5 lessons. This is called the these are the S7 portion syllabus. Okay. This is the syllabus of S7 exam. Okay, today, now we are going to do the S7 revision. Everyone, open your HW books, children. HW means you don't know, homework book. Everyone open your homework book. Understood? Now, start writing the page. Take one page, fold it and put, right, S7 revision. S7 revision. Understood, children, everyone? How we will do in our school? Same as it is. For FA1, how you did F? Yes, same as it is. Do it now. Take one page, fold it and write S7 revision. S7 revision. And now what you have to do? Yes, write down. Today we are going to do the workbook part, module 2 and module 3. Okay, children. Module 2 formal writing, module 3 formal writing, module 2 creative writing and module 3 creative writing. Today we are going to do the 4 bits. Okay, children, just I will explain you, and while seeing the video, write one lesson. After the video, write one lesson. Okay, children, everyone have understood that what we have to do? Just I will explain first. What is the formal writing? What is the creative writing? Once again, I am going to explain. Whoever have not understood, now you can understand clearly, children. Everyone are ready to listen? Everyone open your homework book and you can write out the important points also. Okay, children. Now, everyone start. See, now, what is the, take out your workbook also, children. Open your workbook, page number 18. Everyone, open your workbook, page number 18. Understood? Now, see, what is the lesson number 2 formal writing now? Lesson number 2, formal writing. What is there? Note writing. What it is, children? Note writing. Here, note. What is a note? Already I have explained you. Yes? Notes are used to share short message. Read in or one or two lines, it will be the sentence will be there in that. Short messages. Okay, children? And see here, note writing. Note writing. Yes, children? N-O-T-E, note writing. Say, children, note writing. What is note writing? Yes, children. So I said, it's a short message to tell to the others. Means our message we are giving to the others means it is a small note. See here they have given a sample note. How? Dear Parth, you did well in test. Keep up the good work. Here, greeting, body, best signature. Best wishes, Mrs. Asha Toli. Here a small note. Note means what? We will be writing in the paper and we are sending. Some people in your class also. Your friends, you will be fighting with your friends means what you will do? You will be taking one paper and you will be writing sorry and you will be sending. No, that is also a note only. Understood, children? Yes. Here also we are giving a short message to our friend or short message to any others. That is called as note writing. See here exercise 4. What is exercise 4 they have given? See here, children, your cousin Neelima is participating in an inter-school boxing championship. Fill in the gaps to complete this note to wish her luck. Means what? They have given a partial letter. we should complete that letter. But in exam, it will be coming totally, you only write down. Then what you will do? You only should write full letter, no? So that, no, don't read that, which is underlined part, don't read. Okay, the blank is there, no? Only some children will, what they will do? They will read just the blank only. Don't read like that. You read full. How you should read? Once everyone start reading with me. Okay, start. Dear Nilima. Here, Nilima. They asked you, your cousin Nilima is participating, means you should write the name of Nilima. Okay, here just they asked you, your cousin is participating in an inter-school boxing championship. Write the note for your wish her good. Write the note to wish her good luck. Then you should write. You can write your any friend, any cousin name. Okay, children. See here, dear Nilima, it is great to know that you are participating in the inter-school boxing championship. I am sure you will do very well. All the best. With love, your name it will be there. Your name, you should write your name. Understood, children? See here, once again. Dear Nilima, read after me once. Dear Nilima, it is great to know that you are participating in the inter-school boxing championship. I am sure you will do very well. All the best. With love. Your name you should write. Understood, children? This is your exercise 4. Very easy, no? It is a very easy part you will do first. Then you can go to the hard one. Then it will be very easy to learn for you. Okay, children? Now we have finished the exercise 4. In which lesson? Module 2. Formal writing we have done. Now we are going to do the creative writing. Okay, children? Everyone have understood what is formal writing, children? It is a note writing, giving a short message. See how the short message we have given here. It is great, dear Nilima, it is great to know that you are participating in the inter-school boxing championship. I am sure you will do very well. Dear Nilima, it is great to know that you are participating in the inter-school boxing championship. I am sure you will do very well. All the best. With love, your name it is. Very 2 lines we have written, means 2 sentences we have done. That's all. Yes, children. Now, coming to the creative writing. What it is, children? Creative writing, not CW. Okay, creative writing. Here, write about a personal experience. Write about a personal experience. Here, write about an instant when you or your family helped your neighbors, or when your neighbors helped you or your family. Now what you should write here? Here, write about a personal experience means what? First of all, means what is something happened in our life. We have experienced that feelings. Then you write about that feeling. Okay, that is called as writing about an experience. Okay, children, personal experience. See here, they asked you that here some instant happened in your family. Some neighbors have helped you, or you have helped your neighbors. Okay, like this you should write. Your personal experience about that. Here they have given you the hints. Write about what happened, who needed help and why. How did you or your family help your neighbors or get help? What did you learn from this incident? Here they asked you, write about what happened, who needed help and why. You needed help or your neighbor needed help. Whoever needed the help, you should write that. Okay, now how did your family help your neighbors or get help from them? How they got help and how you have helped them. That you should write. What did you learn from this incident? What did you learn from this incident? You should write. Understood, children? Now, here what it is, you should write about a personal experience. Okay, now once we will see. See, once I will read. Last week, you also read after me. Last week, I had exams at school. My parents had gone to visit my grandmother in Shimla because she was ill. Who would take care? Who would take care of me when they went away? Here, the parents went to the Shimla to see the grandmother. Okay, now what happened? Who will take care of us? We are thinking about that. Here, see, I was scared of leaving without my parents for a week. Our neighbors, Mr. and Mrs. Kannan, helped us. Here, I was scared. Here we are writing that I was scared that without my parents, how I can leave for a week. Okay, children. But the neighbors who are there near our house, Mr. and Mrs. Kannan, helped them. Means helped us. They told my parents not to worry about me. No, Kannan dropped See, what they said. They said our parents that don't worry about you. Okay, now what happened? Mr. Kannan dropped me to school and picked me up after the exam each day. Mrs. Kannan would help me with my revision every night. They made sure that they cooked my favorite dishes on the day that my exams got over. They even surprised me by taking me out for ice cream. I was happy. Understood, children? Like this, you can write, or you can write your personal experience. But what it should be there, children? The sentence formation. And whatever you are writing, the first sentence and the second sentence should be linked to each other. And you should write the sentence formation should be correct, and the spellings, how your feelings should be kept in that. Understood, children? Everyone have understood this? Read and write in your homework books now itself. Very easy to write. A very small paragraph we have written. Yes, children. The exercise 4 also very small we have written. Yes. Now we have finished our module 2, formal writing and creative writing. Now we are going to do the module 3. What is your module 3? See here, module 3. Yes, module 3 we are going to write formal writing and creative writing. Okay, children. In module 3, formal writing. Now we are going to write module 3, formal writing. What is the formal writing? Take out your page number 32, children, in your workbook. Everyone is opened your part 1 book only, no? Yes, part 1 book only. Everyone open your part 1 book only. Okay, children. Now, formal writing. Page number 32 in your workbook. Everyone are with your homework book and workbook, no? Write down in your homework book also what you have to write. Okay, children. Now, see here, editing exercise. Editing exercise means what? They will be giving a paragraph. You should choose from that. Some mistakes will be there, some errors will be there, the punctuation marks, everything you should do that. Okay, children, you should correct that. You know, everyone knows the punctuation marks now. Question mark, exclamatory mark, full stop, comma, and what it is, quotations, like this it is there. Yes, for you, you are having only 4. What are there? Question mark, full stop, comma, exclamatory mark. Okay, children. Now you are editing exercise. You are an error detector. You are an error detector. Detective. And here is your mission. Given below is a paragraph with spellings, punctuation and grammatical errors. Spot 10 errors and rewrite the paragraph in the space provided. Means what? Here they have given you the 10 errors in this paragraph. You should spot that and rewrite the paragraph. Okay, children. Now here, what is the story? The story of a blue jackal is taken from the Panchatantra. It is the story of jackal that fell into a bucket of blue dye when he was being chased by some dogs. When he came out of the bucket, he had turned blue and all the animals were scared of him. They treated him like a king because they thought he would be powerful. But one night, when he heard another jackal howl, he howled back. The animals found out that he was not special, but just another jackal. Yes, children. Here, 10 errors. What are the 10 errors we will be seeing? See, the story of a jackal is taken from the Panchatantra. Panchatantra. Here, they have given a exclamatory mark. You should put the full stop. Yes, children. This is not. This is that. Yes, it is a story of a jackal that fell into a bucket of blue dye. Full stop. When he was being chased, it is the story of a jackal that fell into a bucket of blue dye when he was being chased by some dogs. Some, S-U-M, some is there. You should cut that and you should write S-O-M-E, some. Understood, children? Everyone have understood? Yes, take 2 mistakes. When he came out of the bucket, he had turned blue and all the animals were scared. Here, scared spelling C. S-E-C-R-C-E-R-E-D he has written, but it is wrong. S-C-A-R-E-D, scared. This spelling is correct. Excellent of him. They treated spelling also is wrong. They treated, T-R-E-A-T-E-D, treated. This spelling is correct. Yes, children. They treated him like a king because they thought he would be powerful. But one night. Here they have written one. It is wrong. You should write only one. One night, when he heard another jackal howl, he howled back. The animals found out that He was not special. Special spelling, see. Special spelling is this. Yes, children, they have written wrong there. But just another jackal. Understood, children, everyone? You should write like this, changes, and you should put the full stop, question mark, wherever it is needed. Okay? And question, they are having the full stops, commas only. Yes, children? Okay, finished by this. We have finished our module 3 formal writing. What is the formal writing here? Editing exercise means they will be giving a paragraph. In that some mistakes will be there. Grammatical errors will be there. Spelling mistakes will be there. Punctuation mistakes will be there. You should correct it that. Okay, children. Already we have written this in your workbook. Okay, who have not written, see the video and write it out. Okay, children. Now, coming to the creative writing. What is creative writing here? Yes, descriptive writing. Descriptive writing. Descriptive writing means what you should describe and write. By reading that, the person should think about that area like this. Okay, children. If you had described a watermelon to somebody without telling the name of that fruit, how would you do it? See what we will do. First we will tell it will be green in color. Outside the green will be there. When we will cut it, inside the reddish with black seeds it will be there. Like this we will explain. Without telling the name of the fruit, you should describe that fruit. By that, the other person should tell the name of the fruit. Yes, children, you can play like a game also this is. Okay. Now, you can tell that. This is called as a description. How we are describing. When you have seen any flower, okay, how we will describe that flower? Okay, like this. This is here. Here they have described a park in the picture. Okay, they have given one picture. They have given a paragraph. They have described here the park. How they have described, we will see. This is a park in a big city. It has many trees and bushes. The bushes are filled with beautiful wild flowers. There is a small pond near a path in the park. People use this park for their walks and do exercise every morning and evening. There are benches in the park where people can sit when they are tired. Lamppost stands at the sides of this path to light the way in the evening. It is peaceful. It is a peaceful and quiet place. Here, description. Did the description help you picture the park in your mind? Now you can describe a place that you have been to. Here you should describe a place where you have visited. Okay, you have just returned from a school trip with your classmates. Write a short paragraph to describe to your parents the place you visited. Use the given hints to write your descriptive paragraph. Here you have went to a place from your school. Okay, children. Now how you should describe that to your parents. Okay, which place did you visit? How did the surroundings look? Where there are buildings, mountains or water bodies around? What were the sounds you heard? What colors did you see? What did you notice first about the place? This you should write. Understood, children? This you should write. Your own you can write, but the sentence formation, spellings, everything should be correct. Understood, children? Now just I will tell. We will read by seeing. Whoever have not written, you can write it now. Okay, children? Okay, everyone, be ready to write that. Everyone be ready to write and read after me. Once you read after me, then you can understand how to read also. Okay, children? Just within 5 minutes, we will complete this. Okay? See you, children, exercise 5. Last week, we went to a nursery for a school trip. A nursery is a place where plants are grown and sold. When we entered the nursery, there were hundreds of plants all around us. Some were in brown pots on the ground and some were in hanging pots. Some of the plants had colorful flowers. We met Mr. Abbas, who owns the nursery. He told us the names of the plants and also showed us some plants that can be used as medicines. There were butterflies flying everywhere. Along with plants, the nursery also had lots of colorful pots, watering cans and bags of soil. The best part of the trip was when Mr. Abbas said that we would choose a plant each and take it home. I chose a hibiscus plant with pretty red flower. The trip was a lot of fun. I enjoyed learning about the different plants. Understood, children? Have you read? See, by this, whoever not written, you can write. And whoever written, see the mistakes. Okay, children? Yes? You should write in your homework book also. Everyone have understood this? I hope everyone will complete module 2 and 3, formal writing and creative writing. Okay, children, complete the work.